The email events section of the nShift returns platform allows you to customize the content of automated emails triggered by status changes in a return order. You can perfectly tailor this content for different languages and specify unique messaging for various return types, such as claims, exchanges, or standard returns, alongside their corresponding statuses like registered, approved, or rejected. When editing an email template, such as the Claims Registered Status email, you can configure the sender's name, add a BCC address to automatically copy your support team, and define the subject line and body text. The email body utilizes an HTML-enabled text box, allowing you to incorporate HTML elements for customized styling and to dynamically list specific order items. Crucially, these email event statuses directly mirror the actual operational statuses of the return orders in your dashboard. For example, an order that is still pending and has not yet been processed by a customer service agent will automatically trigger the Returns Registered email. Conversely, an order that has already been processed, approved, and accepted will trigger the Returns Approved email to properly inform the customer of the successful resolution.